This video is going to take a look at two new methods, which are indent and transform, that have been introduced to the string class with Java 12. I'm going to begin by defining a string on 2 lines. The \n will add a line break to our string and I will print it out. The first method, indent, will allow us to add or remove empty characters to each line of our string. I'll print a dashed line so we can see our changes a bit easier in the console. And first I will reassign the value of our string using the indent method. This method will accept an integer for the number of characters we want to indent by. So let's do 10. And I'll print this out along with the length of the string before and after, and we can see it change from 26 to 47. I'm now going to do the same, but with a negative indent, printing out the length as well. In the console we can see how the string length has changed and the characters have shifted right and then left. If we try to remove an indent where it doesn't exist, the string will simply begin from the first character. If I remove 20 characters, we will see the string printed all the way onto the left. One thing you may have noticed is an extra line appears under our string in the console. And this is because the indent method will add an extra line break to the end of our string. The second string method introduced with Java 12 is transform. Transform provides a functional approach to reassign the value of a string. The transform method accepts a functional interface that accepts a string and returns a string, and this method can be useful when we would like to perform multiple operations on a string in a single instance. So for example, here I'm just going to concatenate a new string that tells us the length of that string in a descriptive way onto the end. And once again, we can see a new line has been added to our string after we added the indent method to it, and we can see it has been updated with this new descriptive string. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, I'm going to add the link to my playlist that includes other Java videos where we walk through the new versions of Java from 8 up to 12 so far.